How you doing? I'm Councilman Pete DeLucia here in Lewisboro, and I've got the honor to introduce two of my favorite people. My boss, my first boss, my overall boss, the county executive, Rob Astorino, and my town boss, the supervisor, Peter Parson.
How are you?
Doing great. How you doing?
I'm good. Hello, Mr. Supervisor.
Hello.
Good to see you. Boy, this is great, huh?
Yep.
This is like Americana.
It's a huge amount of fun with grandparents, children, little kids, all together.
Yeah. No, it's great.
And that's what it's about.
It's small town Westchester County. 4th of July, barbecue, picnic, and live band.
Dunk machine.
Dunk. Are you going to try to dunk me?
I'm going to try to dunk you.
I'm going to jump in that dunk tank. Let's see if you can dunk me. I'm going to see that arm.
That's right.
it.
I've been working out all day.
All right. I'm ready.
This is great, though. You know, and the weather's perfect.
Yep.
Last year was rainy.
A little rainy.
So this year's great. A lot of people here, and everyone can get together at least one day a year in Lewisboro, right here.
I'd say we're a spread out community, all the way from 684 to Connecticut.
Yeah.
So it's great to have an event that brings the community together. The kids are here, the families here. They really look forward to it.
The Lions Club, which does a great job. So this is the place to be.
It is. Lewisboro, the place to be.
And next year we're going to have Rob play softball for the Republicans.
Yes. We had our big softball game this morning. I got to tell you, it was
if you're
great.
not good enough for the Republicans, we promise we'll take you on the Democrats.
Well, talking about bipartisanship, huh? All right, perfect. I'm ready.
All right, well, hey, let's enjoy today. Let's have some fun.
Good.
Glad you came up here to visit us.
This is great. Anytime. I love coming up here. This is. Don't tell everyone in the rest of the county, but this is God's country here.
It is.
It's beautiful here. So you got a great town here, Mr. Supervisor.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Hi, I'm Janet Donahue, town clerk at the town of Lewisboro. Thanks for coming to the fireworks here. Great gathering, great night.
Welcome here to the town of Lewisboro to our fireworks celebrating our nation's birthday, the 4th of July. It's a wonderful time, it's a wonderful place to be, and it's nothing more fun for all of us than dunking one of our town officials. Peter DeLucia, who is on our town board, has graciously decided to be one of the victims here at the dunking tank over to your side here. So stay tuned and we'll watch Peter get dunked if our aim is nice. And otherwise, happy 4th of July, Lewisboro, and let's remember all our men and women serving overseas. Happy birthday, America.
Mom, I think you gotta take the water out of that hand. You're not balanced.
Oh! Wait a minute, that's not fair.
Go push it. Wait a minute. That's not fair. There we go.
There we go.
Oh.
Good job.
Hey everybody, I'm here with Maribel Mallet. I just got out of the duck tank and I gotta say, this young lady here, what an arm. Right there, boom, and I'm right in the water. I don't know. Did you have a good time?
Yes. This is a really fun time, and everybody shook them every year.
See that? From the mouth of babes. Should come every year. Every year. Not just 1 year, every year.
Hi, this is Daryl Caprio and Teresa Aker from the Lewisboro Lions, celebrating the annual 4th of July celebration here in Lewisboro. We're selling raffle tickets, selling hot dogs, hamburgers, sodas, raising funds to help our community and the sight impaired. Hope you came out this year. We're having a fantastic time, great weather. If you didn't come out this year, you've missed a great time. Remember, support your Lions in Lewisboro. We serve. Thank you.
Happy 4th of July. Thanks for watching LCTV, Channel 20.
is Robert Cantor. I work for International Fireworks. I've been doing this for 12 years. We've been doing White Plains, Lewisboro, Scarsdale, New Canaan. These are some of the shells that we have. Take a look at these. These here in the bag are 3-inch shells. They're all shells. There's no firecrackers. There's no sparklers. This is tied together with 10 shells with 1 fuse. It's called a finale. 10 shells and 1 fuse. The fuse is over here. Okay. Then we have single shells. This is what's called a peanut. As you can see, it's a lift charge and 2 small shells. This happens to be 4-inch in diameter with 1 fuse.
Oh yeah, Billy knew. I haven't worked with him, but I know his kid.
This is a single shell, 5 inches, 1 fuse, and if you ever see these tracers type go off, this is what sparkles. This is the biggest one we use here. It's a 6-inch shell. Now the rule of thumb is 70 feet for every inch in diameter. That's how far it goes up, and that's how much ground clearance we have to have. That's why we're so far in the back corner, so far away from the audience. That's law.
I'm going on the ski trip with them this year, out to New Mexico.
What you see here are what was in here, 3-inch finale. The finale is then tied together from fuse to fuse, back and forth, until it gets to the 4-inch. Then you get to the 5-inch, and the top one to the 6-inch. It's all chained together. And if anything should happen where they break apart, we'll have somebody, what we have are called squibs, and it's electrical set off. And in case something dies, we'll reignite them that way. So everything's nice and safe. We do everything safe and by the book, and we recommend nobody try this at home. Please leave it to the experts, the hospitals, thank you, and I'm sure your parents will thank you too.
Okay.
she was just 17. You know.
You're watching Lewisboro Community Television, Channel 20.